There you go. We are ready to try this super simple, super easy Thai larb salad.
Okay, one more bite.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're doing Laab Gai, which means Laab salad with chicken. Originating in Laos, this popular Thai Isan cuisine dish is now consumed widely all over Thailand and is one of my many favorite Thai foods. This is a very quick and simple salad. I would say the chicken will be cooked between 2 to 5 minutes. But before that, I wanted to talk to you guys in details about the ingredients we are going to use for the dressing. First, we are adding fish sauce. Fish sauce is a great alternative to salt. It not only adds salt to your food, but adds this great depth of flavor to your food. It is quintessential for Asian food, especially Thai and Vietnamese cuisine, and I highly recommend you pick up a good fish sauce bottle in your next grocery round if you do not have one with you. Next, we are shaving some palm sugar. You can definitely use brown sugar if you do not have access to palm sugar, but you will easily find it in an Asian grocery store, and again, this is essential for Thai cooking. Next, we are using glutinous rice, also called sticky rice or sweet rice. It is widely cultivated and used in Southeast Asia, East Asia, Northeast India, and Bhutan. If you're in North America, almost all Asian grocery stores have glutinous rice, and I'm sure you will easily find it. We are toasting the glutinous rice until it turns golden. This may take up to 5 minutes. You would be able to smell this lovely aroma of toasted sticky rice. And at this stage, I'm going to coarsely grind the rice. The consistency should be that it should not be too powdery, but also not too bitsy that may lead to food getting stuck in your teeth. It should look something like this. I'm adding half of the ground rice to the sauce and reserving half to be used just before serving. To make it convenient to peel, I like to soak my tiny red pearl onions in advance. The same tip applies to tiny Thai shallots too. Here I'm thinly slicing the onions and throwing them into the dressing. Next, I'm finely chopping some scallions. I'm mixing half of this chopped scallions to the sauce and reserving half for garnish later. Moving on to other herbs. Mint is absolutely mandatory, but cilantro is not. However, if you like coriander or cilantro, I recommend you use both sawtooth cilantro and regular coriander for your Laab salad. Sawtooth coriander is widely cultivated in Central and South America, Southeast Asia, Northeast India, including my mom's kitchen garden. I couldn't find it in Toronto today, so I'm only using regular cilantro. I'm adding half of the herbs and reserving half for garnish. Next is chili and lime. You can use any regular chili flakes, and just like the lime juice, you can adjust it as per your taste. I like my larb hot and sour, so I'll be using both lime juice and chili flakes generously. I highly recommend you prepare the dressing in advance before cooking the chicken. Alright, the dressing is ready now, and let's cook the chicken. I'm adding just a splash of water and just a tiny drizzle of oil to the pan. You can use any kind of pan. I just happen to have a saucepan often used by the street food vendors in Thailand. Now I'm adding the chicken. Moving ahead, I'm continuously stirring this chicken, not letting anything stick. and that is why we added a bit of oil and water in the beginning. It took me less than 5 minutes to cook the ground chicken. I have turned off the flame and now adding the dressing that I have prepared earlier. Giving everything a very good mix. And there you go, the salad is ready. Just before serving, I'm adding the remaining herbs so that I get the extra crunch. I have the serving plate ready here. Some lettuce, Larb salad goes on top. Some bean sprouts on the side, and some sticky rice sprinkle. Some extra fresh mint just in case I feel like adding some more. Some lime wedges on top. There you go. We are ready to try this super simple, super easy Thai Larb salad. I'm serving it with some lovely aromatic jasmine rice. You can eat the salad as it is, but it is very popular in Thailand to serve it with some jasmine rice or sticky rice. Let's eat.
Okay, one more bite.
The depth of flavor that comes from the fish sauce is just amazing, bursting flavors.
Yeah, and I love the nuttiness from the roasted sticky rice.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
I can taste it, and that's such a good addition to this.
Yeah. So Larb salad is very versatile. You can try it with chicken, beef, pork. My another most favorite is minced duck meat. Oh my god, it's amazing. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try this super simple recipe at home, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!